Hi! This is gonna be our first day in the new house with
full day, and I already did a trip out to the storage unit.
He'll wake up very early.
We're gonna show you how much stuff I was able to fit into the car. It's incredible.
Wow!
We're about to go to Watertown.
Yep. We got some
Get
food.
some stuff. Get some food.
You made your list?
I did.
Nice. Let's go.
Yeah.
Well, now we just did a little break for the organizing, and we are going to Watertown. That it's a city that is for 40.
It's only about 32 minutes away, super close, and they literally have everything. I mean, it's a big box store city.
Yeah.
Lowe's, Home Depot,
Everything,
Target,
everything.
Walmart,
Because
everything you can think of.
What do we have here in Governor Sean?
We have an Ace Hardware. We have a Subway.
2 restaurants.
McDonald's.
One Dunkin' Donuts. One bank.
We do have a pharmacy. We have a Kinney's, drugs. So we have like one of everything that you need. We do have a grocery store, Price Chopper, and Save a Lot. Actually, we have 2 grocery stores. So again, you have everything that you need, but well, except for the big box stores. There's no Lowe's, Home Depot, Walmart, anything like that. So that's why we're heading to Watertown.
Well, we are just at Longhorn.
Longhorn Steakhouse. Super hungry. We have an appetizer of chicken wings coming out. She got a burger and I got a
burger. Yes. Movements.
Drum, dance, dance. Drum, dance, dance. We have an audience.
This is not amazing.
One of our final cheat meals.
Wow, Sean.
Last Taco Bell for at least a week.
Yes, we need to be good. So this is gonna be our last yummy food. No, yummy food no. Es como que fast food.
Yes, unhealthy. Trying to get back fit, because look at that.
Look at that, look at that. And look at that. So tomorrow, so tomorrow we are starting. And yeah, we just had like a very productive day, I will say.
It's going to be a very hard transition because we've been used to eating Taco Bell and like fast food literally 2 to 3 times a day for
the last 2 weeks.
The last 2-3 weeks we've been eating nothing but fast food because we've been moving, haven't been like in a kitchen where we can cook or anything like that. So it's going to be
tough.
I'm excited, but I think it's also going to be hard just because we've gotten so accustomed to eating the way that we eat. We don't even have a like real fridge. Like we have a miniature fridge.
So we're gonna be suffering.
We don't even have an oven. We have a little electric burner. So we're still not working with a lot, but we at least have a mini fridge, electric burner, microwave.
Yeah, like chiquitito stuff.
So we're gonna try our best, and I think it's gonna be some fun videos, also showing like how to survive and cook without having like a normal full kitchen.
Exactly. We're gonna do a video about like how to survive in our first day without.
And how to eat healthy specifically.
Yeah.
Like how to survive on healthy stuff when you don't have a full kitchen available to you.
So, stay tuned.
But first Taco Bell. It's been a long day, but this makes it pretty awesome. The fact that we can get to the river without having to drive anywhere. Enjoy a nice little beer.
It's very nice. Like, I don't care if we're in the middle of nowhere, but
This is literally, like, we have access to this right from our house.
This is amazing. I love you, Governor.
I love you too, Governor.
Cheers for that.
Cheers to you, Governor. Thank you for giving us a new home that we're gonna love.
I could actually love it. Yeah. Maggie, what are we gonna eat tonight?
Papas a la huacaína? That face. That was great. I love it. All right, it's time to go back because it's getting cold.
Yeah.
We need some food.
I'm sorry.
Put on your life jacket because we're not parked anymore. Yeah. Chocolate dulce.
Yeah, that's.
Y papa's gonna huacaína.
Amor, don't push. Don't push.
Babe.
Don't push.
I thought this was.
No, it's not part of the meal, baby. You're already gonna eat your. No. Well, let's see. Let's see how you feel. That's what you always say. Let's see how I feel. Let's see how I feel.
Fine. Okay.
Bye.
Bad meal. Bad meal. We've been eating like shit for the past couple months.
But
we're gonna eat healthy. We got an onion. Look at this beautiful basket of fruit.
Look at it.
Put together. We even got some tuna, apple or potatoes, and all sorts of other stuff.
yeah, but all the house looks horrible. But now this beautiful. No. My battery. This beautiful thing.
We have oatmeal.
And oatmeal. Exacto.
Low sugar. Only 4 grams.
But yeah, no, that's very, very good. Also, here, yeah, we have some like beans, well, corn.
My baby also bought some lentils.
Lentils.
Really good for the.
Sean. Some bread. Is that local?
Alright. Let's go for this one.
Wow, that's a big one. Christmas stuff. It's our first time trying.
This is the cranberry lime. I have to say this is very close with the raspberry lime, which makes sense. This one might be better. Alright, let's go do this thing.
I'm sorry for the change in the things I say. It's not that I don't notice, to me it's still the same. If I don't show a sign, I'm leaving my love blind, expecting you to read my mind. Well, I hope that you know that I hear